Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to delete your chats from Claude AI. So to get started, go ahead and sign in and navigate over to the chats page. You can find it here on the left hand side of your screen. If you're having trouble seeing it, simply click on the toggle sidebar button at the top left and go ahead and click on chats. So here you're going to be able to see all your chats, and if you want to delete a specific one, simply hover over it with your mouse and click on the context menu that appears. So here you're going to see a few options, and at the very bottom you're going to see the delete button. So you can go ahead and click on that, and then it's going to ask you to confirm to delete. Go ahead and click on delete. As you can see, the chat has disappeared, and that's one way of deleting your chat. You can also delete multiple at once by clicking on the select chats button at the top right, and you can click on select all or just click on the specific chats that you would like to delete. So it's pretty quick, pretty easy. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful, and I hope you were able to follow along. As always, thank you for watching.